Today's project is homemade mini weiqi set. So usually a weiqi set is made of a standard board like this, very big board, and a standard stone. Usually it's black and white. Okay, but for a mini weiqi set or Go game set, it's made of 5x5 board and 7x7 board. And sometimes we don't have these stones, so we have to do both stones and board. So first, and look at the stones. And we need stones for the board. For 7x7, and you need 7. Usually letter size paper is popular, so we try to find the good size for paper. So this looks like good. So in the future we can choose some stones like this. Okay, and for black and white stones, you can see that, well, if you use use white paper, well, it's hard to distinguish this white stone. So usually if you already have weiqi set, my suggestion is use a colored paper to make the board. Okay, so today I will design a 5x5 board and 7x7 board. And for the stone, and this is a cardboard. I found it from a local grocery store, and you can find any cardboard. And I prefer not use paper because paper is very light and it can easily move. Okay, so I will use this one for the stone. And then for 5x5 board, well, I found a candy box. And with this one, looks like it's good size for 5x5. Okay, so first we will make the stone. So I already cut some cardboard, and then it looks like this. I can use this as one side and the other as this one as one color, and then the other one the opposite side for the different color. So then I have two kind of pieces. Usually we need about 36 stones for each color. That means two players, two different stones. Okay, and then you just use your scissors to cut similar size stones. Okay, yeah, one is ready. Try to make them very similar size. Yeah, looks like the second one is okay. Yeah, looks good. And then we can start the 5x5 board. Yeah, this is the board, and I need marker and rulers for this project. Five by 5 board. Yeah, something like this. Here. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so I will make the stone here. Another one here. This is the center line. And I will try to separate into 5 stones. So you need to separate into 4 parts. Just cut in half. That's good. Okay, and then this one, size this one, and then I will make this one size 10. Okay. And here. Okay, then my size 5 by 5 board is ready, and then we can play the game. And do you remember the rule of this game? Well, I can play here, then here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Okay, of course we need more pieces, but basically you know how to make the stones and the board. This is 5 by 5, and then you can try a 7 by 7. And of course you can also use the standard weiqi set to play. Okay, good.